अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हमारे पास x स्क्वायर ओवर x प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर। स्टूडेंट्स, वी नो दैट we can resolve this as a over x plus 1 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1 plus dx plus e over x square plus 1 का whole square. Now multiplying both sides by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 का whole square, we get x square is equal to a into x square plus 1 का whole square plus bx plus c into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 plus dx plus c into x plus 1. Now by taking x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1. Put in equation 2, we get a is equal to 1 by 4. Now from equation 2, which is x square is equal to a into x4 plus 2x square plus 1 into plus bx plus c into x cube plus x square plus 1 plus dx square plus dx plus ex plus e. By simplifying and by taking x4, x cube, x square and x common, we get x square is equal to a plus b into x4 plus b plus c into x cube plus 2a plus b plus c plus d into x square plus b plus c plus d plus c into x plus a plus c plus c. Now by comparing coefficients of x4, x cube, x square, x and constants of both sides, we get by comparing x4 we get 0 is equal to a plus b, and we know that a is equal to 1 by 4, so from here we get b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now by comparing x cube we get c is equal to 1 by 4, and now by comparing x square we get d is equal to 1 by 2, and by comparing constants we get e is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now put values of a, b, c, d and e in equation 1. We get x square over x square plus 1 into x square plus 1 का whole square is equal to 1 by 4 over x plus 1 plus minus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 over x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 x plus minus 1 by 2 over x square plus 1 का whole square. So we get 1 by 4 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 over 4 into x square plus 1 plus x minus 1 over 2 into x square plus 1 का whole square. So question नंबर 3 आज का हमारा कंप्लीट. होपफुली आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Thank you.